left in this show. All right, down to Bills and Texans as promised. Here you go.
Read the
tied at 13. Jonathan Joseph picks off Nathan Peterman.
Nathan Peterman, he is who we thought he was.
Oh, goodness.
Unfortunately. Man, oh, man.
Look at everyone's loving it. Too much celebration. They're going to get the flag. They don't care. They're up 20-13. Oh, goodness.
I mean, that was textbook. He read the three-step, picked it off. Man, oh, man.
They are up 20-13. They did kick the extra point, so nope, it's 20. 1:16 to go in the game, and the Bills have their backs against the wall once again. Josh Allen is out of the game right now with an elbow injury. Nathan Peterman, who just threw the interception, is back out to lead the comeback for the Bills.